Alright guys, once again welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers, and in this video we're quickly going to be sharing the latest update regarding to the Sidra project. As you know, I've already been sharing with you that this project is a very strong project, which I strongly believe in it, and I believe that it is going to cook well for the community. And it, like I said, it is the Middle East oil money. So the Middle East oil money is very important to us and to anyone participating in it. So we are going to be sharing the latest updates for anybody who has been having difficulty with this project in this particular video. So before we go into that, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. Few days back, the app was showing us something like this, and it says it will be back soon. Sorry for the inconvenience, we are performing some maintenance at the moment. If you need to, you can always follow us on Twitter. So Twitter is actually X, it was formerly called Twitter. So it's say for updates, otherwise we'll be back up shortly. So there were many controversies around it and so many people were getting scared. I actually made a video about it and I told you that this was just a maintenance and they are going to come back to the community, so you didn't have to be scared of anything. And if you come back right now, if you try to log in, refresh your app, you're going to discover that they have already done that. But although there is no new updates, nothing has yet shown that is new, different from what was there before. But probably I believe that that is still going to come up. So now once you log in, first of all you are going to see that you need to be mining. It's very important. So you see it's very easy to mine right now. You just click on it, no facial verification, and then you claim your Sidra tokens. It's not stressful as compared to before, and I've been making videos about it. Now once you do this, you can see that I've earned about 22 ST tokens right here. So that is the Sidra tokens. And then but what they are going to list is the SDA, which is the Sidra digital token. So you need to be converting this to this as well. And how do you convert? You might think that is to just come here and you're going to see swap, but if you come here to swap, you're going to see the swapping here is for you to swap Sidra to tokens listed under the Sidra blockchain. So if you are coming here, you are coming to swap tokens from SDA to other tokens, that is tokens listed under the Sidra project. You know, Sidra has listed a lot of projects under its blockchain. So many blockchains, so many tokens are coming into this particular project, which means that actually other projects are seeing a future with Sidra. Other projects are believing in the project. It is not just Sidra, even though it has not yet listed, so which is a very good thing. So that is not where you are going to come to swap. So where are you going to come to swap? You are going to head over to your wallet and then you can see convert right here. So we are converting. So if you want to move ST tokens to SDA, you are converting. So you can see that token swap right here, convert your ST, that is Sidra tokens, to Sidra digital asset. So summary right here, so you can see ST tokens 22, I have 22, and if I swap I'm going to receive 21.9 right here, and it says the swap fee will be 0.1 ST. So processing fee may take up to 24 hours. So what you need to do is come down and then you can see confirm swap right here. So click on it. So as I click on it, you can see token swap request successfully. So you can see that it's as simple as that, very easy right now. It is not as before that you need to be stressing. So you can see this is a transaction currently trying to process right here. So once it has been completed, I will be updated and my tokens will successfully show on my wallet balance. So it's very easy to swap your Sidra tokens. I just thought of sharing that with you. So make sure that you start mining, continue to mine, you know, continue to mine, because as it has come back right now, it's good that you are mining. So don't wait and then be swapping your tokens until the listing. I strongly believe that Sidra will list this year. So probably it's just maybe because of some things that are happening, but I don't yet know whether the impact of the war in the Middle East is going to affect it. I'm talking about the Israel-US-Iran war. So I don't know whether it is going to impact it, because this is the Middle East oil money. But no matter what, I still strongly believe in this project and I'm still betting my all on it. So for now, make sure that you continue to mine. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.